Okay guys, this is part 2 of playing the tornado blocks. If you didn't see part 1, just check it in my account, TikTok account. By the way, I am Filipino and I live in Philippines, of course. We are little bit rich, but not that rich to go to the airport and then go to another country. So, okay. Dominator tree again. There's someone picked Dominator tree. I think he's recording because it's called Oh, it's already been past 1 minute. Wait, why is it beep? Where can I? Boy, just get running. Bro, that car is so fast. Go fast. Oh my God! Stop drifting on me. It's pushing me away. Ooh, this is strong. This tornado is strong. It almost went with my Dominator tree. I was like, oh my God, I'm flying! But it's okay. But I'm not saying. I searched Google that Dominator tree is the best, but I searched what is the strongest interceptor vehicle to intercept, and I think that, and then it said it was still good. It said it was this, but I'm still picking this because Google said that this is the best so far. So let's go. Bro just left you. Bro could get out of his car and spawn a new car. Then he just left. I just want to leave right now. Where's the sea? Oh, there's another. I think he just respawned. Oh, oh, there's the guy who the other. Don't hit her. We need to find the cloud. We need to find the cloud. Let's do. Oh, oh, oh! Can I find the tornado. Oh my god, I always can see the tornado. I'm already here at the club, but I'm supposed to see the tornado right now. Where is it? Because it's moving there, so it's supposed to be. Bye.